Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi RS5 Coupe Carbon Black Tiptronic. This particular model comes in the stunning Mythos black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. With this being the carbon black, you do get multiple elements of carbon fibre styling elements, including the side skirts, front and rear bumper elements, and the small rear spoiler. You also get the gloss black badges, making this a super sleek and stylish vehicle. On the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights, giving you optimal visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 20-inch Audi Sport 5 segment spoke Evo style design alloy wheels in gloss black with the optional gloss red brake calipers behind, offering a lovely contrast to the overall black look of the vehicle. The boot can be released from the key or the button underneath the Audi rings badge on the back to reveal optimal space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage, or your small weekly family shop. To access the rear seats, there's a pull tab on both driver and passenger front seats. You can pull that and pull the seats forwards to reveal the rear seating area. The interior of this vehicle is finished in the fine Napa leather with contrasting grey stitching with the honeycomb stitching for maximum sportiness, luxury and comfort. Moving into the front, we have the RS perforated leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are RS Super Sport seats and are fully electrically adjustable with electric lumbar support and pneumatic massage function, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit is configurable to your needs using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right you have your volume and voice controls, heated steering wheel function and the RS button, which changes the display and opens the valves and sets the engine up for maximum sporty performance. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply your navigation. Under the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, and where you can set up your RS1 and RS2 modes for your preference. You also have 360-degree camera system, which gives you maximum visibility of the exterior of your vehicle, so you never have to worry about damaging that precious paintwork. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings.